CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. What I will be doing in this brief and short 1-minute video is showing you my exact play. Since I'm looking at Circle Internet Group, I'm very open-minded, you know, to doubling up and buying more. Let's just jump in here. I have like 17 results in place. Technically speaking, unless I see a double break, there's just no way that I'm going to look to buy. And I know people right now could, you know, jump on this and be like, but this, and that. Yeah, I totally get you, but... And yeah, generally speaking, like I was saying, unless I see this shift happening, there's no way I'm going to look to take it further up. I mean, believe it or not, we pulled down here at 75 cents at the time. Let me just, 75 bucks. Here's the proof of that. I'm like right here, and this was sitting like 76 at the time. You can clearly see this 3 weeks back. So unless I see any sort of double breaks, there is no way I'm going to look to double down buy or anything. That's where we're sitting currently, and I do have a lot of receipts. Now, like I said, still waiting for the double break, nothing else that I'll be adding. That's about it. I mean, if you want the sauce and want to have leverage and learn the stuff that's taken me 5 years to learn it, hours, click the first link in the description. Risk-free opportunity.